Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can buy Ethereum on the Exodus exchange. So the first step that you have to do is go ahead and open your Exodus. And then once you're here, just go ahead and tap on buy right here. Click on that one. And then you just have to click on this downward arrow and then search for ETH or Ethereum. So I'm just gonna do so and then click on that one, and then from here you just have to input the amount that you're going to be buying. So let's just say $11. So once you're done with that, you just have to choose the payment method. So you can choose between debit card or with MoonPay. And then once you're done, just go ahead and tap on buy. So you click on this one, and that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!